General Beverage, we are committed to enhancing product quality to improve people's lives. Passionate about delivering perfection in every product and service we offer. Through our dedication and commitment, we bring world-class manufacturing innovations to every customer. General Beverage Company, a manufacturer of various beverages certified to international standards. Our production base of over 77,404 square meters enables us to produce more than 1 million bottles daily, fulfilling the diverse needs of our customers. We prioritize our consumers and the environment by carefully selecting the finest ingredients. Driving innovation through technology, including a sterilization process using high-temperature short time at 104 degrees Celsius, continuing with the next step of product quality control. We seal in freshness with our cold aseptic filling process at 35 degrees Celsius to preserve the highest quality. Using the nitrogen drop system to preserve vitamin quality before delivering products that exceed standards to our customers and partners worldwide. This success has led to the creation of the nationally renowned With a Day brand, which has consistently held the #1 market share. In addition, the Eve brand, a leading Asian beverage globally, delights consumers every moment. We, General Beverage, are expanding worldwide to enhance people's quality of life. Our perfect standards come from a team of experts leading to world-class manufacturing innovation, nurturing a healthier planet and a brighter tomorrow for every General Beverage customer.